Hello there and welcome to Fairyland Cottage, and thanks very much for joining me here today. I'm going to share with you a scrambled tofu recipe that's an alternative to scrambled eggs. I really hope you like it. I don't make my own tofu, but I have found it in glass packaging, so I'd like to share the recipe. Let's get into the video. You need a block of tofu. Now I will always buy organic tofu. Mash it all up until it looks like white scrambled egg. All the jars that the tofu comes in, I'm able to reuse as storage containers, so it's a win-win. Tofu is ready, over to the stove. Now to make it the lovely eggy color, a bit of turmeric. And I use water now instead of oil for cooking. You don't always have to use oil. Water works just fine. And some spices, I add some asafoetida, but you can add whatever you like. The important one is the turmeric. Mix it about for a few seconds and add in all that lovely tofu. And mix it all about so that it turns into this lovely yellow color. Let it cook on the stove. And while it's cooking away, I just went out and got some herbs. Now this is parsley growing in winter, and parsley's really good for digestion and I love the flavor. But if you don't, just use some dried herbs or some coriander. Some salt and some pepper. Salt will bring out the flavor, and pepper I've learned is used to help turmeric to absorb. But this is some black salt. Now black salt, if you can find it, is what makes this tofu actually smell and taste like eggs. I serve it with a few slices of some soda bread. Soda bread is so easy to throw together. Toast them up. Avocado you can use as butter, and then the scrambled egg. The combination goes really nicely together. I love this dish at breakfast time or a snack during the day or lunchtime. And the bread is spelt, so it's high in fiber, and the tofu is high in protein, so it's a really nice combination. Simple and delicious. So that's it for this week. Let me know in the comments below or over on Instagram if this is something that you like to eat. And thank you very much for watching. I hope you have a wonderful week. Keep it simple, and I will see you in the next video. Bye for now.